Where the experiment got really interesting is that they took that DNA and they measured what's called the conformation, the shape of the DNA in the presence of different kinds of emotion. So they had the DNA in the presence of joyous images of nature, frightening images of war, humorous images of comedy. What they found was that the DNA actually began to unwind as if it were going to replicate itself. What this is showing is that human emotion affects the stuff our world is made of.
If the mind can influence the body in such dramatic ways, could energy healing tap into the mind-body connection to address chronic pain? At the Institute of Noetic Sciences, researchers conducted studies showing its potential to reduce pain in cases where conventional treatments had provided little relief.
We had 200 people come into the lab, all of them that had carpal tunnel pain chronically for years, not able to get any relief from other types of conventional treatments. And one at a time, they were given a session of energy medicine healing. Significant pain reduction happened after just a single energy medicine treatment across these 200 people.
We asked each client beforehand, did they believe that this was going to work? Some of them said yes, and some of them said no. Overall, we found that there was no correlation between their prior belief and whether or not they actually experienced a reduction in pain.
The healers had been asked to wear a small vial of water around their necks after the energy healing sessions were done. The scientists found that the molecular bonds of this water had changed as well. Unlike humans, water does not rely on personal belief or expectation, making it an ideal medium to test whether energy healing produces measurable effects beyond the placebo response.
Since our bodies are made mostly of water, the idea is maybe the water would register some change as a result of this healing energy exchange. And then we took this water, before and after the healing and put it in a spectrophotometer, and we did see evidence of the bond changing a bit. So this was, really exciting because, again, there's no placebo apparently in this bottle of water, this little vial of water. And so that's some indication that there's something other than placebo going on.